Mami, climbing up the tree.
Saan?
Ayan yung dalawa dyan. Ay, tatlo dyan. Oh.
No?
Yeah. Tapos yung isa dyan sa malaki. There we go.
Saan malaki?
Yan.
Ito?
Yeah. Yeah.
What else?
Tapos ayan.
What's up, Tita Liz? What's up, Tita Rachel?
Good job, Tita Rachel.
Pag nalaglag ako dito.
Good job.
Picks up boy. Now. Hi, Tita Rachel.
Hi.
You're gonna really You're going to slap.
No, I got this. Tira to kasalanan mo.
Yan yung dalawa.
Ate girl. Here.
Okay, boy. Come on, pick up
May isa pa.
Tita Rachel's playing.
Oh my God. Galing ni Rachel.
Hey, yo.